everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join private live stream on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the 3 icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the VIP option. Now you can go ahead and purchase the VIP or Super VIP of the broadcaster that you want to join the live stream of. Once you have purchased the VIP, you will be able to join private live streams. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.